Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel back after many days. I just started and I think that I have to upload one video, and now I'm moving study from to learning something. I just want because my day routine is so boring. I just wake up and just doing the same thing what I have done in past some times, but I want to do something creative that can boost my mindset and boost my confidence also. It is important, so I just want, apart from the study, I just want something new learn. And for the girls, I can learn computer classes, but I am not doing this. I will in future. Now I'm just trying to be do learn a mehdi design. That can be also a mind creative. If you learn art, it is a very creative thing for a human, because you create something new and you think about that creativity. How can you create a new design? So mehdi design is also a beautiful things. I'm just gaming IQ boost. It is a game name. I just play, and it is a very interesting because one of the minute you have to be think which part you have to be move first. So gaming part is also important. And now I'm just trying to be learn. And embroidery is a very beautiful thing. You can, for the girls especially, you can create your own cloth in the way of, whatever you think, what is you going to mind, you can create that thing on the cloth, on the paper, on anything. And I just want to learn crochet. I have told you before, because I just want to make them happen. After sometimes, yeah, I will try. Not after sometimes, I'm starting mehdi design, but I'm not doing for some days, for 2 or 3 days, but I will do. And I will show you again and again, because I like to show up. You can say it or share with the person I have don't have. If you live in a city, you cannot share with a person, because you don't have time to share with them and sit and talk a long conversation. So you can try on the YouTube. You can share and speak whatever is in your mind. There is nobody who will judge you. Yeah, some haters will try to comment on that thing, but just ignore thing, okay? And I wish that it will happen, and I can learn, because it can, if it will affect your mind, and your confidence will be boosted that you are doing something new, you have learned something, okay? So please, girl, for the girls especially, please try to learn something new, okay? Just only the study can be your first priority, because if you want to get a government job, you have to be study. But sometimes you need some breaks, and in that time you just trying to use mobile phones and just see video. Don't do this. You can learn something art, sometimes art, or that can benefit to you, okay? Crochet, embroidery, and stitching is also a, what, if you don't want to, just do your skin care, so that you will benefit it to your skin, and you will be happy. If you can do that, make you happy, make you more beautiful, then you will be happy. And if you cannot do thing, just clean your room. It is also a good thing. If you are sad, if you are anger, if you are anything, you have anything issue, just clean your room and take rest. And after you wake up, you will notice that you have a great mindset, and your stress will be disappear, okay? So I have a something, and this is my topic, and I will daily make a video. If you want to stay on this, then I will do this, and I will make video of the mehndi, of whatever I will learn I will upload, because only the study I can't do. I have a something I want to explore myself. So if you are interested, then like my video and subscribe my channel and share with your friend is a very important thing. Okay, bye bye, see you in the next video with a new motivation and new energy and new vibes. Thank you so much.